don't think you can come over without being on the vlog. What are we here for today?
We are extending control arms for an 86.
All right.
Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding out front bumper. As it says on his windshield, dang. Uh-oh.
Okay, let's figure this out. So we're just going 8 millimeters from the hole, and I'm just gonna scribe this with my calipers. Then I just have to align the bandsaw blade. As long as we could clamp this sucker tight, even though I can see that's crooked. Let's just see. Yeah, we're gonna send it?
Sure.
Okay, watch your fingers. Looks like a control arm. Alright, so guess what we're gonna do? Okay, obviously we've traded some precision for some ease. Let me know down below how to optimize my Harbor Freight bandsaw.
It's like you're putting more tester.
Well, as long as this is straight, not if it does that, yeah, you're changing the caster. Okay. Well, who the hell's using this grinder? I use 4-inch grinder wheels on my 4.5-inch grinder. Do you know why?
It spins faster, it spins slower.
They're cheaper, they're on sale.
That's it.
So Jason found this flat stock here. This is 1.25 inches. It's about 1/4 of an inch, a little wider than what I wanted, but he has camber plates and he can make sure he doesn't have too much camber. So pretty much we cut it, we cleaned it, we prepped it. There we go. And then we extend it. And then we just have to make sure this is in the right plane, right? Because this is flat. And then that's it. Cool, man. Let gravity do it. Okay, so I always watch other people's videos and I go, damn, their garage is freaking messy. Yeah, no comment, even though I just commented. Any questions with this process?
Pretty straightforward.
Okay, so I got these suckers tacked. It's square enough, eyeball spec. I have 1.5 welding rods. Let's see, I'm gonna TIG weld what I can and then MIG weld the rest. Okay, this is the clean tungsten, brand new tungsten. This is my contaminated tungsten. Okay, to facilitate things, I TIG welded the outsides, right? And then we're just gonna MIG weld the inside because my torch is getting really hot and Jason needs to go to brunch. All right, so we finished the control arms, I think just in time. A little bit of MIG welding instead. MIG welding on the inside. Very hot. MIG welding on the inside. Okay, only thing I want to do is grind that down a little because this is where the tension rod sits. Okay, theoretically, these control arms should be the same length. But who cares? Alright. We're gonna quench these control arms for strength. The molecules are tightening up right now, and now we're forged.